Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a printable-ready Canva file. First, choose the sticker size and add a 2-3 mm bleed so edges don't get cut. This preserves the design. Next, change export settings to 300 dpi for crisp prints and prefer CMYK if your printer requests it. Once done, group layered elements and convert text to outlines or embed fonts to avoid substitutions. This prevents layout shifts during printing and ensures colors and spacing stay exactly as you designed. Now you'll export and arrange the sticker sheet. Export as PDF print for cut sheets or high-quality PNG for transparent edge stickers. PDF preserves vectors and color profiles. Next, create a layout. Place multiple stickers per page with a 1-3 mm gap between designs to ensure clean cuts. If you plan to die cut or use a cutter, add registration marks or cutting guides so the cutting machine aligns properly. After layout, proof a single page at 100% to confirm scale and clarity. Finish by choosing the right printing method. For small runs, use a high-quality home inkjet with waterproof ink. For large quantities or vinyl, send the PDF to a professional print shop and specify paper type, glossy, matte, or vinyl, and whether you want laminate for durability. Make sure print settings match your file's color profile and paper type. If colors shift or cuts are misaligned, check bleed and export profile first. If smudging occurs, allow ink to dry fully or request a different ink or coating from the printer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.